Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance New Order, Maryland 11, Retirement and Another Boeing Order. The aviation industry sees a major shift as airlines place new aircraft orders while retiring aging fleets. A significant new order highlights the push for fuel-efficient jets, replacing older models. Meanwhile, the iconic MD-11 is being phased out, with major cargo operators like FedEx and UPS retiring the trijet in favor of modern freighters. Additionally, Boeing secures another major order, reinforcing its market position as airlines invest in 737 MAX, 787, and 777X models for future operations. FedEx's new aircraft orders. FedEx Corporation recently confirmed orders for 8 Boeing 777 freighters and 10 ATR 72600 freighters. The Boeing 777 order includes 5 units scheduled for delivery in 2026 and 3 in 2027, alongside 2 additional used 777 freighters from an undisclosed seller. The ATR order builds on a prior commitment of 30 units, with deliveries set for 2027-2029. These acquisitions signal FedEx's intent to modernize its fleet amid rising cargo demand. Maryland 11, Retirement Delay. Originally slated for retirement in 2028, FedEx has pushed back the retirement of its McDonnell Douglas MD-11 fleet to 2032. This decision reflects a strategic pivot driven by a surge in international non-parcel cargo demand. The MD-11, a trijet with an average age of 31.5 years, remains a workhorse for FedEx, with 58 units currently in its fleet, though over half are inactive. Reason for delay. The extension of the MD-11's service life stems from a global freighter shortage and FedEx's need to maintain capacity. A 16% drop in the global freighter glut has tightened supply, prompting FedEx to resurrect the MD-11 rather than phase it out as planned. This move contrasts with earlier intentions to shift focus to overland transport, highlighting adaptability to market shifts. Boeing 777 Freighter Appeal. The Boeing 777 freighters are prized for their fuel efficiency and long-range capabilities, aligning with FedEx's modernization goals. These aircraft promise significant operating savings compared to the aging Maryland 11s, which guzzle fuel and require more maintenance. FedEx's exercise of purchase options for 8 additional 777Fs underscores confidence in Boeing's wide-body freighter despite the manufacturer's recent challenges. ATR 72600 Roll. The ATR 72600 turboprops cater to shorter-haul, regional cargo needs, complementing the long-haul 777s. This dual approach enhances FedEx's flexibility, allowing it to serve diverse markets efficiently. ATR's Senior Vice President Commercial, Alexis Vidal, emphasized the order's role in bolstering FedEx's regional operations, building on the prior 30-unit deal. Financial context. FedEx's orders come with a hefty price tag, though exact figures depend on discounts. The company's debt ratio, reportedly at 65%, suggests a calculated risk to capitalize on cargo demand. Posts on X speculate this bet on the MD-11 and 777F combo aims to balance short-term capacity with long-term efficiency, a gamble tied to global logistics trends. MD-11's legacy. The MD-11, once a flagship for McDonnell Douglas, has a mixed legacy. Designed to compete with the Boeing 777 and Airbus A340, it fell short of range expectations, leading to early retirements by many operators. FedEx and UPS, its largest users, kept it alive as a freighter, but its high operating costs and 3-engine design make it less viable in a modern, efficiency-driven era. Boeing's broader struggles. Boeing's role in this narrative isn't without context. In 2024, it delivered only 348 jets, less than half of Airbus's 766, due to a mid-air 737 MAX incident, a machinist strike, and regulatory caps. Despite this, FedEx's 777F order reflects trust in Boeing's freighter lineup, even as the company works to rebuild its reputation and production capacity. Industry implications. FedEx's moves ripple through the cargo sector. Extending the MD-11's life preserves jobs and capacity but delays a full transition to greener aircraft. Meanwhile, the Boeing and ATR orders signal a robust outlook for air freight, challenging competitors like UPS, which also plans to retire its Maryland 11s. This could pressure Airbus, absent from FedEx's latest widebody order, to buy harder for future contracts. Critical perspective. While FedEx's strategy addresses immediate needs, it raises questions. Relying on the MD-11 until 2032 risks higher costs and emissions, clashing with industry sustainability trends. The Boeing 777F order, though forward-thinking, ties FedEx to a manufacturer grappling with quality issues. The ATR deal diversifies the fleet, but its regional focus might not fully offset widebody capacity gaps if demand spikes further. FedEx's balancing act between legacy and innovation will test its foresight in a volatile market. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.